Click subscribe for update video every day.
A double oven is dream come true for the busy baker or prolific chef. You can have a roast going in the upper oven, while the lower oven bakes your cookies to a golden brown. The only problem, trying not to spoil your appetite with cookies as the meat roasts to perfection. Frigidaire S Gallery Series Double Electric Wall Oven looks spiffy and is easy to use. And you should have no trouble performing two tasks simultaneously, provided you have the patience to wait for the ovens to get to the right temperature. With its convection fans, it's possible to cook multiple items in the same oven, which means even more cookies. Ranging from $1.798 to the suggested retail price of $2.699. The Frigidaire is pricey but by no means the most expensive double oven on the market. Read on to see if it will warm your heart or leave you cold. Not only is the Frigidaire Gallery Series a double oven with two equal-sized oven spaces, it has both traditional and convection settings. The double oven uses true convection, which adds a heating element to the fan. This heats the air circulating around the food, creating a more uniform temperature and cooking food more quickly and at a lower temperature. If you're not comfortable with convection cooking, conventional, or is that convectional? Wisdom suggests dropping the temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit and reducing the cooking time by 25%. The Frigidaire makes things easy on you. For one thing, you can stick to traditional baking or use the convert setting. Simply pushing that button and keying in the temperature indicated on your recipe will automatically reduce the oven's temperature to the optimal convection setting. Use this in conjunction with the bake time feature, and the oven will automatically shut off 3/4 of the way through the keyed-in time listed in your recipe. Basically, it's convection virgin-proof. In case you can't tell from the previous paragraph, this oven has lots of settings. The LCD screen is a bit crowded, but because the controls for the top oven are on the right and the ones for the bottom are on the left, it reduces the likelihood you'll be pushing buttons for the wrong oven. But be warned, pressing the off button on the left side will still shut down the lower oven if the upper oven isn't going. The